Hey chap and chap S's, I've got a Ruko today, but not a normal Ruko. This is, well, it is a pin tumbler, but there she is. Got a couple of star screws at the back, but that's alright. I've got some screwdriver to get into it. It's a 6-pinner, ignore this one at the front. There's the keyway. There's the key itself. So pretty nice. God damn it. Looks very nice. Okay, so basically this is your, you get the SPP'ds, which are about them, you know, one of the most secure pin tumbler security that has to do without getting into the twins and the D10s and all that. And the V range, it's yeah, I mean there's higher security Rukos than this, don't get me wrong, but as far as just a normal pin tumbler, this is definitely the hardest Ruko I've picked, and it's as hard, if not harder, than any SPP'd ASA that I've picked. Just for sheer awkwardness of having to pick it, you need light tension, you need heavy tension, you need medium tension, various different times. I think there's threading in the core and the lips of the new ASA pins are getting trapped on it. It's, yeah, let's see what we can do anyway. I've got a gem. I'm going to start at the back. Hopefully I'm not going to knuckle shot it. I apologise if I do. I'll try not to. Okay. So I'm going to start off with medium tension. Okay, that was 4, I think. Okay. 5, 6, a bit more, 6. 3, it'll click on 2 when I touched it. A bit more. Okay, a little 10 on 4. Okay, a little bit on 2 and then 1. Slight turn again. Okay. That was 2. Okay, that's 4. So tension varying now. There's a little click on 5 when I touched it. A little bit more on 5. A little bit more on 4. If you don't do it in the right order as well, it's there's no real binding order. It's just you get various clicks. They only come if you've done the one before. It's just a bizarre lock. I mean, absolute hats off to Ruko for building this thing. 2, I think it was. That was 3, that was a bit too much. but we're still going. You can tell as soon as you've overset straight away. Game over. Okay, right, we're at the crossroads where nothing obvious is there. So it's going to be one of either 2 or 4 hiding behind a long pin. So now I've got to really trust in taking the tension off. I'm just holding the wrench in place at the moment. Okay. A little bit more on 4. That's good. A little bit was hiding. A little bit more on 1. You bugger. I've mucked it up. You twat. What are we on? 7 minutes. Oh, God. Hey, sorry. That's the quickest I picked it. I just thought if I concentrate. Right, excuse my language before. Wow. Okay. Oops. Yeah, that is the quickest I picked it. But that's how I pick it when I'm not on camera. So it's I don't know. You turn the camera on and you just pick. Well, I do. I pick differently to the way I normally pick behind the scenes. Like, it's bizarre. I prefer to pick, just the fluid, natural way I pick. But it's hard to do when you turn the camera on. Right, regardless, it's open now. But yeah, please excuse that rather colourful word. Okay. So there we have all 6 in. So we got a standard. They're all going to be standard, I'm sure. Yeah, we do have threading. Very nice. So yeah, that counts for all the clicks. I mean, there's 3 lots of threads there. Okay, and we'll have balanced pin stacks, I'm sure, because there's a little tiny diddy answer. Wow, that's a beautiful particle. I'll show you in a second. Just crafted. It's like the Lamborghini of locks, this thing is. The springs are all going to be the same. So. It's really pretty, isn't it? See, you've got 3 lots of anti-drill protection here at the front. They're not mucking around with this thing. It's about as secure as you're going to get, I'd say. Don't think there's anything up in the Bible. You'll be able to see better than light, because the naked eye won't be able to see up there right now. It's too dark for me. But I'm looking through the camera lens, I can't see anything. Okay, let's just put that there for a second. Just show you these beautiful pins. Okay, so we got all standard, all not sure, stainless steel, whatever they are down the bottom, nickel plated, don't know. They're not magnetic anyway. And then the shorter key pins correspond to the longer driver pins. You've got 2 small ones at the front, and then you've got 2 long or longish pins down here. Very nice. Okay, so that was the Ruko high security oval, like an SCD. Picked on the second attempt. Thank you guys for bearing with me. Yeah, really glad to get that on camera. I'm so happy. Yeah. Thank you ever so much. Catch you all very soon. Take it easy. Be good.